here and see this? That is a lot of rain. I was not expecting this today.
A lot of wind.
Sure is. Goodness gracious. So, hey guys, we are having a thunderstorm, and don't ask me where is my other earring. I really don't know. Yeah, but I'm rocking out with one pair. It is like about 6 or 7:30. I'm not sure. I am bored. Just staring outside the window. I actually was packing up some stuff because we're moving again. Yeah, it's a mess in here. Well, actually, we're not moving to another state. We're moving to a bigger house, more or less. I'm so sorry. Everything is a mess. I'm packing up some stuff, and there go Big C messing with my stuff. That's why my stuff is all over the place. Hey! Okay, guys, so I found my other earring. For some apparent reason, it was on the ground. I didn't even know that it fell out my ear. And it's kind of messed up. Can you guys see how bad my face is breaking out? This happens to me like every single summer. I swear my face just breaks out, and I don't even like eat junk food, drink sodas and stuff like that. I just naturally just break out. I don't care. Okay, y'all, this is so, I'm not gonna say depressing, but this is sad because out of all the boxes that I got, this is the only box that is actually packed and filled. And I don't even know why I packed the pictures in the box like this, but anyways, I'm gonna deal with that later. I'm about to take a break. I swear, like every time we try to watch a movie on Netflix, I don't know, it's always some issue, I swear. See what happens when you press play? I don't know, it's like it's stuck. Always some issue with the net. I swear I had to turn on some lights in here. This storm is like making the place all dark and stuff. Like, really? Like, where the hell this storm came from? Like, seriously? So hey guys, like I said, I had to turn on some lights in the house. I really don't know. It's really bad outside. It's like really dark and stuff. I'm wondering, is it really that serious? It's not even raining anymore, but oh well. I'm debating whether I should continue to pack or just take a break, because I'm feeling hella lazy right now. I knew I should have never waited until now to try to pack up some stuff, but we'll see. You see how he does it? You see how he do, like, really? What are you doing with my bag? He been trying to open my bag for the longest while. You be taking up stuff and just throwing it on the ground. I'ma have you clean my room. There you go. My bag is heavy. I don't know what the hell I got up in there. And you trying to lift my bag up, baby. Leave my bag alone. Say hi. Look at my big boy. Say hi. Look at my twin babies. Look how they don't pay me no mind. Look. They think they too grown for me. They don't pay me no mind. What y'all looking at? Okay, I see. Say bye, you two. Bye. Oh my God, I should have videotaped my kids. When that thunder just rumbled, You should have seen how they went running. It is so funny because we're originally from the islands, and you would have thought they would be used to the sound of thunder, but my kids went running for their lives. Bye YouTube, until next time. Thanks for watching.